Alright, so super excited. Today's April 16th and getting to go get the bees. So on the way, next stop, Travelers Rest, South Carolina. Alright, so I just picked up at the Carolina Honeybee Company our little bees. They're hard to see in there. But anyway, I can't wait to get these guys home. So crazy. Alright, so made it home. And I wanted to show you how genius this is. So they sell their honey with a pump top. I'm like, that is perfect. So we're gonna give that a try. I had to get that just because we were running low on local honey anyway, so that was perfect. And then I got a little bee hat. I already had the gloves and the brush, so we're good there.
Is that the queen?
I dropped the black thing. Or, I mean, it got slid back in. I think you're supposed to have like a can opener. Hey Chase. So we installed our bees yesterday and are making a home of it. We got them some feeders, well, the feeder that it came with, and then we put another one over there. So they're just buzzing away. Fingers crossed they get the queen out in the next couple days. I will say that installing the package was not as easy as the videos made it look. But hopefully we did okay and got the majority of them in the box where they were supposed to be. But yeah, it's been fun.